Hey guys, I'm Komal and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys a very fresh makeup look, yet so glamorous. So let's begin with the makeup. To begin with, I'm using a MAC Prep and Prime Primer. Primer helps to fill up the pores of your skin, which gives that smooth effect. Next up, I'm using a Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the shade 222 and blending it gently with the help of a beauty blender. Don't forget to blend nicely on your neck area too. Then using a Sephora concealer under eye areas, eyelids as well as bridge of the nose. While blending the concealer under eye areas, always look upwards to blend it nicely. Now setting my makeup base with the Maybelline Newer Compact Powder. This is necessary to avoid cracking of your makeup. Then filling my eyebrows with dark brown eyeshadow. For contouring, I am using a NYX's Love Contours All palette. Take the dark brown shade, and this is my trick to contour cheekbones, jawline, and blend it upwards. Take lighter powder shade for baking the face. We will be removing the excess powder after 5 minutes. To start with eye makeup, get the dark brown shade at the outer corner and crease of your eyes. This gives the depth and definition to your eyes. This is NYX's Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, which comes with many vibrant colors. Taking a yellow shade and applying it on the highest points of your eyelids. Take lighter yellow shade and apply to inner eyelids. Make sure you blend everything well. Add highlighter to the inner corners of your eyes. For this makeup look, I am not using an eyeliner, but just a kohl to the upper and lower waterlines of the eyes. Add light brown shade to lower waterline to give the shadow effect. Adding a coral blush to cheekbones. Now curling my lashes. It's time to add the falsies. While putting mascara, always look downwards to avoid clumsiness. With coral pink lip liner lining my lips, using my favorite Revlon's Strawberry 52 shade. Finally, apply the highlighter to the bridge of your cheeks and nose. And I finished this look with a low messy bun.